In this video, we're going to show you how to grow long hair with fermented rice water. Be sure to watch to the end because we'll be telling you why you shouldn't use shampoo after a rice water rinse. My name's Jo and I'm from Expert Home Tips, the first place you should turn if you want to learn about DIY, home management and more. Don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss out on the latest life hacks. While we owe a lot to genetics when it comes to hair growth, there are plenty of methods you can try to lengthen your locks. One of those is a fermented rice water rinse. It turns out that murky white liquid we pour down the drain after cooking rice is full of beneficial nutrients. Let's get started by telling you a bit more about rice water. Rice water is rich in amino acids, antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, contributing to stronger and moisturised hair. Strong hair is less prone to split ends and breakage, making rice water the perfect treatment for fast hair growth. Some other benefits include shiny and sleek hair, clearing up dandruff and added protection from chemicals and heat. But does rice water really work for hair growth? The Yao women in China have been using rice water as a rinse, achieving long, shiny hair. In fact, their hair has grown so long they've made an appearance in the Guinness World Records. So how do you make rice water? The Yao women's customary ways of making rice water have been adapted many times, but this is how we do it. Begin by rinsing and scrubbing about 1 cup of rice in water. You can use any type of rice for this. Drain the water and then repeat the process to remove any impurities. Next, take an airtight container and add the rice. Fill it with boiling water and give it a good stir. At this stage, you can fragrance your rice water by adding some citrus peels or essential oils before tightly securing the lid. We strongly recommend doing this because fermentation creates an unpleasant smell. Leave your sealed container to one side until the rice water is cool. You can then either use it as it is or let it ferment. To ferment the rice water, it needs to be left for around 24 hours in room temperature. Now that you've made your own, let's show you how to use rice water. We recommend transferring your treatment to a spray bottle. This will make it easier to apply to your hair, ensuring the strands get coated. The one we've used is linked in the description box below. You can spray the rice water onto your hair in sections and then massage your scalp. Did you know that scalp massage also helps to boost hair growth? Check out our other video on how to grow long hair for even more tips. While in the shower, you can pour the remainder of the rice water over your hair, wait about 5 minutes and then rinse it out. This next part is really important, so make sure you're listening. After using the rinse, don't wash your hair with shampoo. This will only strip the rice water from your hair. A quick rinse should be enough. You might now be wondering, how often should I use rice water? If you want to reap the benefits of rice water, you need to stick at it. Keep repeating this process every 1 to 3 weeks and you'll notice how smooth and strong your hair is. With any luck, you'll see some rapid growth too. Those are all of our tips for using rice water to grow long hair fast. If you've watched this far, let us know if you have any questions and tell us what your hair growth goal is in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. To see the full instructions and get exclusive advice, head over to our website, experthometips.com. We've left a link in the description box below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time for more expert home tips.